Why they got the sound? Why they put the sound effects on when she coming up the steps like that? Listen.
The win.
I just slow.
How you doing? Nice to meet you.
Not the slow Drewski looking up like it's a. Why they got her head out the frame right here, bro? They really trying to make her look huge, bro. This is some fuckery. Why? Look how big Drewski's not a small person. Drewski's about 6'2". This is cat, bro. This they doing some type of visual effects. There's no way she got Drewski looking like a